Alright, so you can see the grease coming out of the axle boot there. The boot itself looks to be in really good shape, and looking online at the forums, the challenge is that clamp can come loose, and you can see as it spins, it squeezes out. It's actually doing it on both sides. There's the other one. And you can see, I mean, it's splattered. And if I see if I can get this angle here, you can see up there. I mean, it's not the worst splattering, but it's not pretty. So we're gonna also clean all that off. But the goal is to take off these clamps. Here's the McMaster car clamps I got. Come in a pack of 10. I want to say it was like $6 for them. Paid more for the shipping. And they look just like the ones that are on there. And then I held it up and checked the size. I've got my calipers out and checked the dimensions. Everything looks pretty good. So, okay, so since it was a 10 pack of these, and I've never done it, I thought I'd test it. So I got the tool, got this off Amazon. It's pretty straightforward. You slide it in there and crimp it. It ratchets. Put that in there and you crimp it. So I got this pan in the garage that just happened to be like the perfect diameter to test it out. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So now, need like 3 hands. There you go. It's crimping. You see, it's kind of bowing off. So see my hands out of the way. Twisted, so I think what I need to make sure I do is I align these straight before we go. But you can see kind of how it works, and you torque it. So there you go. It's you see it mushrooms down, torques. So now I could pop this off, and you can see how it works. We should use a screwdriver, and so what I found is if you get under here, you can kind of work it, that little lip there, and then you twist it. It should pop. Oh, there you go, pop. So you get the flat head under that part. See how that clamps down? See if that goes like that. That's how it is, and then you get this screwdriver kind of in here. You fight it off. So release the whole axle. Oh, look at it spinning, and that's what you hear. If it's spinning, that means it's leaking. So I guess I have the classic problem. Oh, look at there. Oh man, that wasn't too bad. All right, let's spin this guy. Okay, just turn it slowly. I'm inspecting the axle boot. Okay, yeah, keep going. It looks pretty good. I got the clamp off. Keep going. All right, that's good. Yeah, stop right there. Okay, yeah, I mean, I don't see any other damage. All right, so this is the one I just took off. And it has a marking on it. Where's the marking? 69.5 in a German word. And then the new one, 69.5, and it kind of looks like maybe an abbreviation of that same German word, so looking pretty good. Looks like it's the right size. I just put it in a little, like, it's actually a baby, like, syringe for giving your kid medicine. That way you could do it a little more gingerly. So that's the premise. All right, so there we go. All right, well, I had to move the camera out of the way because I was fighting with it too much, but you can see I got it, and I'm rotating the axle. It looks good, seated all the way around. It's crimped. It's not sliding at all like it was before, so I'll try to get a video better of this other side, but there you go, one down.